My name is Lauren Kaufman. I'm a licensed esthetician here at Juvly. Today we are going to be microneedling. I have cleansed her skin prior. She numbed for about 30 minutes with a topical numbing cream. This pin here has a needle cap that I glide along the skin until I get pinpoint bleeding. That pinpoint bleeding encourages the wound healing response in the body. The body says, hey, I have an injury, I need to heal myself, and begins to repair the area being treated. Microneedling encourages a smoothing of fine lines and wrinkles, breaks up abnormal pigmentation, improves skin texture, and gives your skin a boost of dermal proteins, specifically collagen and elastin, providing a thickening of the dermis and an overall improvement of skin integrity and health. A series of microneedlings is recommended. A good place to start is 3, but depending on the skincare concern, more may be necessary. But treatments 4 to 6 weeks apart are always ideal. After microneedling, you will experience 1 day of intense redness, like a sunburn. By the next day, it should dissipate greatly. Just a couple days of redness and then a couple days of flaking. After 24 hours, you can wear makeup and go about your daily routine, but just lots of moisturizer and being gentle on your fresh skin. In about a week, she is gonna have a beautiful glow. Microneedling is one of my favorite treatments to offer to clients. It is extremely low risk with a great result. I know when my clients walk out of the room that their skin is going to be looking fantastic.